Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to create a calendar event on your iPhone. Start by opening the Calendar app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new event. Enter a title for your event, like Meeting. Then, set the date and time for your event by tapping Starts and Ends. You can also set an alert to get notified before the event begins. To add a location, tap on Reminder, then tap on Details. Enable location services and type in the place where your event will occur. You can also assign a priority to your event, marking it as low, medium, or high. Once you've entered all the information, tap Add in the top right corner to save your event. Your new event will now appear in your calendar, and you'll be reminded at the scheduled time. And that's it. You've successfully created a calendar event on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.